एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड है 7, सब्जेक्ट है साइंस। आज आपका चैप्टर 4 है, न्यू चैप्टर है हीट। क्या नाम है चैप्टर का? हीट। द डिग्री ऑफ the degree of hotness or coldness of any object is called its temperature. Whether an object is hot or cold is known from its temperature. Temperature of substance increases on giving heat. Temperature of a substance decreases on observing heat from it. The instruments to measure the temperature of an object is called the thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called the clinical thermometer. जो अब थर्मोमीटर हमारी बॉडी चेक करता है उसको क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर बोलते हैं और डॉक्टर्स थर्मोमीटर भी कहते हैं उसे। A clinical thermometer can measure temperature from 35 Celsius to 42 Celsius in Fahrenheit scale from 94 Celsius F to 100 F Celsius. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 Celsius. The thermometer which is used in laboratory is known as laboratory thermometer. The range of this thermometer is usually from 10 Celsius to 110 Celsius. The thermometer which is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day is known as maximum minimum thermometer. In clinical thermometer, there is a kink for constriction near the bulb of mercury. The kink prevents mercury level falling down. Transfer of heat. The heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. That is why hot tea becomes cold due to flowing of heat in the atmosphere. One heating one end of an aluminum rod with the flame of a candle, heat flows from its nearer end to the far off end. The process of transfer of heat from the hot end of a solid object towards cold end is known as conduction. The solid substances like metals become hot due to the process of conduction. Good conductors of heat, substances through the which conduction of heat takes place easily are called good conductors. Metals like copper, silver, aluminium, iron, etc. are good conductors of heat. For poor conductors of heat or insulators, the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called poor conductors of heat or insulators. Wood, plastic, ebonite, leather, wool, glass, rubber, etc. are poor conductors of heat. On heating the vessel containing water, water gets heated in the vessel. This mode of heat transfer in water is known as convection. Liquid and gaseous substance get heated by mode of transfer of heat called convection. Mercury is a liquid even though it gets heated by mode of transfer of heat called conduction. In coastal regions, sea breeze during day and land breeze during night occur due to convection. From the sun, heat comes to us by the process known as radiation. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. Dark color objects absorb radiation better than light color objects. This is the reason why we feel more comfortable in light color clothes in the summer. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter. It's become wool is a poor conductor of heat, and has air trapped between the fibers. Normally, heat is more absorbed by black objects compared to white objects. अभी नेक्स्ट है आपका ये state similarity and difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Laboratory और thermometer में similarities क्या है and difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical और difference क्या है. आंसर तो आएगा similarities the difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer are as follows. अभी similarities क्या है. Mercury is used as a liquid in both thermometers. Number 2, both have long narrow glass tube of same thickness. Number 3, in both thermometers there would be construction like a bulb at one end of the tube. Differences क्या है. There is no caking for constriction in the narrow tube of laboratory thermometer, while there is a kink for in narrow tube of a clinical thermometer near the bulb filled with mercury. Number 2, the range of a laboratory thermometer is generally from 10 Celsius to 1110 Celsius, while a clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 Celsius to 42 Celsius. Next, number 3 है laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of objects in the laboratory, while clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body. ये अभी चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया. इसका 1 क्वेश्चन ही मैंने आपको करवाया है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊंगी. मैच द फॉलोइंग ट्रू फॉल्स से करवाऊंगी. थैंक यू. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. ठीक है. थैंक यू.